Hi guys, I got a nice package today and it's from Monacor, and this is the SPH 102 4-inch loudspeaker I use for my sphere looking loudspeaker. So this is the one I'm sanding the edges of and I can use in the globe. I have a transmission line loudspeaker I'm gonna build soon, and these are the connectors for that one. So it can be mounted in a thicker material, and so I'm gonna mount them in an MDF box. And the other connectors are the ones I'm using for my sphere speaker, and those are for the thinner casing. And this tweeter is for my upcoming project in the Apolito system, and I'm missing the mid-range speakers, but they are sending them from Germany now, I think, and this box was from Denmark, so it went a little bit quicker this time. This is my other speaker I use for my spheric or globe loudspeakers, and this one I'm chopping up pretty good as well, and cutting off the plastic casing around it to get my radius and spreading, the stereo spreading in my round loudspeaker gets really good, and it looks more neat also to have it mounted from the back side in this loudspeaker as well.